Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a stretch text effect to make your words pop off the page. This trick stretches out your text so it looks like it's moving or in motion. The end result will make your viewer do a double take. So let me explain how to easily transform plain text into an exciting stretch design in just a few simple steps. First, open up Photoshop and open a new blank document. You can make the background any color you like, but black works well for this technique. Next, select the text tool from the Tools panel on the left. Click anywhere in your document and type out the word or words you want to stretch. Once your text is typed out, use the Move tool to drag it where you want it. Make the point size bigger too if you want a larger text. Now here is the trick. To be able to stretch the text, you need to convert it from a regular text into vector shape. On your Layers panel, right-click on the text panel and choose Convert to Shape. To stretch the text, go to the Tools panel and select the white arrow Direct Selection tool. If you cannot see it, it may be hiding under the main Pad Selection tool. When selected, simply click and drag the bottom section of the text. Now you have everything ready to create a stretch effect. Just click and hold any anchor point and pull it down further and further until you get the desired stretch effect. And if needed, use the Move tool to reposition your stretch text into another place. And just like that, you have created a fun stretch text design ready to spice up your next project. As you can see, stretching text in Photoshop is easy, fun, and adds a lot of visual interest to your designs. With just a few clicks, you too can transform the boring old text into a sleek stretch design that pops right off the screen. So, I hope you enjoy learning this quick tutorial trick for making stretch text effects. Experiment with fonts, colors, layout, and enhancements to see what you can create.